Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Khazana. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet star ornament for Christmas tree decoration. For this, I am using 4 crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First, take a yarn and make a magic circle. Then make a chain of 3. Chain 3 does count as our first double crochet and make 9 more double crochets in the magic circle. Make a slip stitch in the chain 3. In this row, we are going to make puff stitches. So make a puff stitch in between the 2 stitches. Yarn over. Insert the hook in between the stitches. Pull up the yarn. Yarn over. Insert the hook and pull up the yarn. That's 2. Yarn over. Insert the hook and pull up the yarn. 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over, pull through all loops. Make a chain to secure the puff stitch. Then make a chain of 5. Make a puff stitch in the next space. Yarn over, insert the hook in between the stitches. Pull up the yarn. Yarn over, insert the hook and pull up the yarn. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over, pull through all loops. Make a chain to secure the puff stitch. Chain 1. In the next space, make a puff stitch. Then make a chain of 5. In the next space, make a puff stitch. Chain 1. In the next space, make a puff stitch. Chain 5. Continue like this all the way across. Chain 1 and slip stitch in the puff stitch. Make a chain and cut the yarn. Insert the hook in the chain 5 space and pull up the yarn. Chain 1. In the chain 5 space, make a single crochet, half double crochet and 2 double crochets. And 1 treble crochet. To make a treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook and pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then chain 3 and 1 more treble crochet in the same space. 2 double crochets, one half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Make a slip stitch in the chain 1 space. In the next chain 5 space, make single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 treble crochet, chain 3, 1 more treble crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and slip stitch in the chain 1 space. Continue like this all the way across. Make a slip stitch in the chain 1 space and slip stitch in the next chain 5 space. Make a chain and cut the yarn.
If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.